Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and my beach themed bathroom is really coming along. Today I made some turquoise candles, and I tucked them behind my swags, and they were very easy to make. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned, it's coming up next. Anybody that knows me knows how much I love candles. And I cannot throw away the empty glass container. So I always have a ton of these sitting around. And going along with the beach theme, I'm going to tint them. And in this is glossy Mod Podge and light blue or sky blue food coloring and teal food coloring. And I've mixed it all together, and that's what I used. And I'm going to pour some on the inside of the glass. And then I'm just going to coat the inside. And then I'm just going to dump what's left back in. And I'm going to set these on a styrofoam plate to let it drain. And I'm also going to put some round toothpicks down so that it sits up above the styrofoam plate so that some air can get underneath it. And I'm just going to turn this, keep it upside down, set it on the toothpicks, and I'm going to let it sit. And we'll be back after they've dried, and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, this is after about 6 hours. You see there's quite a bit of the Mod Podge that came out, but there's still a little bit inside. So I'm just going to repeat it. Let the air up in there. And let that dry. Okay, I turned them right side up, and they did stick to the toothpicks just a little bit. So all I'm doing is pushing it down flat. And I'm going to let it keep drying. But so far, I like the way the color's showing through. So as soon as that's dry, I can put a candle in it. Well, now that these are dry, I decided I like them the way they are. Instead of putting shells and stuff on it, I just wanted to keep the color. So I decided to get out my bling, and I cut 3 rows. And I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the edge. And line that up with the top. Got a little too much on there. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue every so often and go all the way around. And I'll be back when that's done. I like what the bling did for this. The color's right to use with a beach theme, but it doesn't say beach theme. So I'll be able to use this in a tablescape or on a shelf or on a table. And I like the way it is. Let's get some candles in there. Okay, I added a couple of battery operated candles to it. And I like the way this turned out. Okay, my little candles are in place and they're flickering away. And I think they look really nice behind the swag. This is a nice touch. And let's see how it looks with the lights out. Oh yeah, I like it. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.